Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making roasted breadfruit known as Ukwa. Stay tuned and watch how I do this. This Ukwa does not have quantity limits. The quantity limit depends on how you like to eat it. So I'm going to be adding the dry breadfruit into a bowl, and I'm going to as well add salt to it. The purpose of adding salt is to make sure that the sand is being washed off. After I must have added water, I'll be setting it aside for like 10 minutes. I cannot soak it more than that. 10 minutes is enough. And after the 10 minutes, you are expected to wash it two times with two different water, 2 times before sieving it out. Why I'm laying emphasis on washing it 2 times is just for you to make sure that the sand and the dirty is being washed off. You can see the second water I used in washing it. It becomes neater than the first one. So it's always important that you wash it 2 times. You're expected to drain out the water before the frying process. Add the breadfruit into the preheated pan. Both those who are outside Nigeria and those who are in Nigeria who likes to eat this can actually do it by themselves. I always eat my Ukwa this way. I don't wait till I get a fried one from the market. So I will highly advise that you do this, try this yourself and thank me later. You notice that I use salt to wash the breadfruit, but once while frying and you notice that the salt did not penetrate, you have to kindly add a little bit of salt. Stir to mix and combine roasting the breadfruit on a low heat. You have to actually roast this breadfruit on a low heat. This roasting process does not really take much of your time. 20 minutes is enough and the roasted breadfruit is done. For those who are outside Nigeria, I know you will notice what I'm talking about. They always look for how to get these roasted breadfruits, but they always have the one that is not roasted, the fresh one, which they normally cook as cooked breadfruit. Kindly try this roasted method and you will understand what I'm talking about. Consistency is just the key to this roasted breadfruit. When I say consistency, I mean you are going to constantly be turning it in order to avoid it getting burned. It is now ready. I'm going to be turning off the heat and remove it from the heat in order to avoid further frying. The essence of adding it to this sieve is to remove the pieces of the breadfruit that are burnt. So after I must have done that, I'm going to allow it to cool. You can actually eat this with coconut or palm kernel. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more videos.